Hello, my name is Joan Sebastian Artilo Urrea, and I will tell you a little about myself. Then I will show you a fabulous recipe. About me, I'm 19 years old. In my spare time, I like to play soccer and out with my friends. I live in Bucaramanga. On my last vacation, I went to the beach with my family. I live with my parents and my two brothers. I study business administration in the UNAT. On my next vacation, I plan to go to the Mexico to enjoy the beautiful beaches. My favorite hobbies is cooking and playing video games. This is a little about me. Now I will just show a very good recipe. Today we'll cook pasta with tomato sauce. This is my family recipe. The preparation time is 30 minutes. The cooking time is 50 minutes. The number of people is 5 person. And what is the ingredients to cooking the pasta? The ingredients is 1 medium tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 pound of pasta, 1 pound of tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, 1 cup of grated cheese, and fine herbs. This is the ingredients of the preparation. When all the ingredients are ready, we must do the following. In the first step, boil the pasta with water and 1 medium tablespoon of salt in a pot. Cook for 12 minutes. In the second step, meanwhile, heat the oil in a skillet and add the tomatoes. In the third step, season with the salt, garlic, and herbs to taste. Cook for 10 minutes. Fourth step, drain the pasta and mix carefully with the tomato sauce. In the fifth step, garnish with your favorite type of cheese. And so, we prepare some delicious pasta. Thank you.